Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. EtherConnect, the new BitConnect. From the past, the people who were in BitConnect made huge returns, and yes, some did lose. So, in my opinion, this opportunity has the possibility of high returns, but I also see it as a high risk platform. But let's see, how's it been going? How's my lotto ticket doing? If we go down first, join the revolution with EtherConnect. EtherConnect is an open source decentralized finance platform for a stable coin staking, yield farming, and DeFi banking protocol. It is an algorithmic autonomous interest rate protocol built for investors to unlock a universe of open futures of financial earnings. EtherConnect is based in the United Kingdom, registered company and also registered in Estonia. The EtherConnect ecosystem is designed to provide multiple opportunities and benefits for its investors, traders, and users to earn profit daily. The EtherConnect community enhanced the crypto finance platform and merged the DeFi protocol with the governance protocol. This will help us to find the independence of all desires, EtherConnect community of like-minded, freedom-loving individuals. As we go down, we can see the community. 184,610 users, 102,000 plus active users, 51 million total ECC coins sold in the market. So they're growing and getting bigger and bigger as we go on. Currently, my account, as you all know, I put in $51 into the ECC token and $51 into the Ivy token. And look here, this was my previous video about it. The Ivy token was on $2.80 when I got in, and the ECC token was on 31 cents. If we look at it now, $4.55 for the Ivy and 33 cents for the ECC token. Now, we can't withdraw it yet. Apparently, they're about to get ready on the launch pad for us to start withdrawing parts of our Ivy tokens. The ECC tokens is locked in for a year, but you can withdraw your staking returns. Now, but let's get back to the Ivy token. There's 150 million Ivy tokens, and they did put 5,000 Ivy tokens on PancakeSwap, and currently it's $76 a token on PancakeSwap. Yes, when they start paying out from the EtherConnect platform, the price will probably drop. But could this just be an indication of where the price might go or might run to? In my opinion, it's a gamble, and I took the gamble. If it pays off, I'm happy. So if you do want to take the opportunity and gamble with me, if you want to buy Ivy tokens, you click here to buy. And if you want to buy ECC tokens, you go down here to deposit. So down at the deposit, you buy ECC tokens, and right here, click here to buy underneath the Ivy private sale. You buy the Ivy tokens. What's your thoughts, comments, and concerns? Leave them in the descriptions. Have a great one. Take care.